26 days in since the heinous rape and murder of a Kolkata trainee doctor at RG Kar, and protests are still ongoing strong. We're standing here in South Kolkata where we can see that a huge human chain has been formed where residents have gathered with either mobile phone flashlights on or candles, and everybody is still demanding justice. Right now, I'm standing here with Meruna Murmu, who is a professor at the History Department of Jadavpur University and one of the first Adivasi scholars of West Bengal. Uh, Maruna, I want to know from you what are your thoughts about the ongoing investigations and the fact that there was supposed to be a hearing tomorrow, but that has been postponed. So, what are your thoughts on this?
Yeah, we must begin by saying that justice delayed is justice denied. But the thing is that we cannot lose hope at the moment. And since a lot of people have come out on the streets for last 26 days, this cannot fail. I'm sure that this is going to have an impact on the judiciary, the executive, and everything. What we are asking for is uh, true investigation into what led to the heinous murder and rape of this trainee doctor. And we're sure that it's just not about corruption for which Shondip Ghosh has been arrested, and he cannot be the only one who has been running the racket. A lot of things have been circulating. We do not know the truth. The truth must surface, and it's the duty of the CBI and the state police to find out what is behind the killing of this trainee doctor. Unfortunately, the bill that has been raised in the West Bengal by the people in power is completely lopsided. It's a knee-jerk reaction, and has been said that therefore, if the intensity of rape is uh, high, then there should be capital punishment. Now, we've seen in the case of Nirbhaya that hanging of four people has never been a deterrent for what is happening in West Bengal. So, we want measures, structural changes, so that people who have been, we as women, we know we've been molested and sexually harassed ever since some of the people have come out right from the age of 5. So this is the incident that has happened. It's just not one out of thing blown out of proportion. This is something very normal for women in India, because we all know that every 16 minutes there's a rape in this country. Every day there is 91 rapes in this country. So there has to be structural changes and ways to deal with such knee-jerk reaction is not enough.
You just pointed out that there are so many rapes happening all around, and which rapes do actually even come to the forefront, to the focus?
In the last 26 days, we've heard about the murder of an Adivasi girl. It's not rape, but she stepped out of a house, and within 100 meters of a house on the day that women were reclaiming the streets, she was killed. We also heard in the last 7 days there have been two Adivasi girls who've been raped, and there was an attempt to murder a girl, and two parties who are involved. Members of the two parties have been involved. So the thing is that we should. It's very sad, but I should say that if this was not from a middle class, if this girl was not from a middle class background, if she was not a doctor, she was not into white collar jobs, we would not be talking about safe spaces. The thing is that we should, Adivasi lives matter, Dalit lives matter. So I feel that that should also be, we should ask for justice for every case. We shouldn't, there shouldn't be selective outrage.
Lastly, do you have any message for the Chief Minister of West Bengal right now?
No, we have a lot of hope. She being a woman, we have still have a lot of hope, and we think that she's going to rectify her rape rhetoric and the comments she's made in the past, and it's time that she takes proper measures so that women find faith in her. She came to power, and when she came to power, we had a lot of faith on her, and it's time that she restores the faith in her governance.
Thank you so much. As you can see, protests are continuing. People are still demanding for justice, and the fact that the hearing has been postponed does not give hope to people. So, people want the machineries in power to really do their work and come to a conclusion to this heinous crime. Thank you so much.